Good morning to all of you. So today your sixth chapter, perseverance. That meaning is you have to be religious or penance is extra mortification. That is the meaning. Means perseverance is quality of being the persistent in course of action or anything undertaken. So in this chapter we will see how do we complete our task and we never give up and we do work hard and practice it more. So let's start our this video. So this is sixth chapter. Perseverance means complete is dendrita, you can say. So introduction of this perseverance is the quality of being persistence in course of action or anything undertaken. It is a form the source that pursues the goals even in the face of all the obstacles and odds in order develop the value of the pursuance. One need to focus on the goal with determination. When you have the determinate mind, you will not be influenced by negative vibes. Many people start things they want to achieve only to give up as the first sign of failure. They lack courage or faces failures, problems and obstacles to proceed to fight back. It is difficult. Everyone wants success or victory at the first attempt, but success belongs to those who fight back against the obstacles. So everyone wants success or victory at the first attempt, but success belongs to those who fight back against the obstacles. Means something that make difficult for you to do something या go somewhere and अड़चने. Okay, obstacles means होता है अड़चने. Okay, रुकावट. The great inventor Thomas Edison failed in 100 times before inventing the electric bulb. It was his never give up attitude that helped him to succeed. Let us go through a story to understand the importance of the perseverance. Once upon a time, two frogs lived in a pot nearby a village. One day, it started raining. So, in this one, we want to say that the great works are performed not by the strength but perseverance. Perseverance is dridata, okay? If you are thinking you finish work in only one time, so it's not possible. Sometimes you learn the things 4-3 times, practice it, then you understand. So in this chapter, we will see if you have the perseverance, so you can do all the works. So don't give up in the first time, because so many, those are very famous one like Thomas Edison and another one, they work hard, they have practiced it, they not made bulb only one time. So you have seen here the Thomas practice it, attempt, not practice it, he first attempt but success not be get, but 100 times he failed, then he got that is success. So don't give up early. Okay, keep your attitude in, always be help him to succeed, and let's go through the problems which is in front of you, the obstacles are in front of you, so try to give your best, don't give up quickly. Okay, so let's start this story. We are a bit apprehensive of their safety, therefore they hopped into a near house. So in order to find food and shelter while they hopped around looking for food, the frog accidentally fell in the pail of milk. The realizations of drowning. So drawing in the milk gave them cramps. They struggled and beat their limbs vigorously, but vigorously means with forcefully, okay, जोर के साथ, okay, but nothing seemed to happen. All their effort went in vain. They were still inside the pail. They tried again to get out the pail, despite and sides of the pail were too slippery, okay, slippery. After a long struggle, one frog claimed, "Oh, I can't get out," and tried and sank, and as a result gave up. The other frog was unwilling to give up and kept on swimming. It carried on breathing its legs by moving the milk. Slowly it began to churn and surface become a bit more solid. Tired. Then the second one, another one said I'm churning surface become a bit more solid. The frog used the solid surface as a kind of launching pad by which it could jump out. Finally, the presentation met success. Persists and preserve is hard to try. It causes you much pain and deep sigh. The grind is harder, heavy load, bear, but it is worthy it for well you will fare. So this looks at persists and the prevision is not hard to try. मतलब दृढ़ता और दृढ़ता से प्रयास करना कठिन है, but it's cause you much pain and deep sigh. They grind hard, heavy, loaded to bear, but it worthy to for well you will fare. Means deeply the grind is hard, heavy, load to bear. This is like a grain भालू की तरह भारी भार है, but it is worth it. It well you will fare. इसकी इतनी कीमत है कि तुम उससे फ्री हो जाओगे इसी किराए से. ओके, सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव लर्न वी हैव टू वर्क हार्ड, वी नॉट गिव अप फॉर वन attempt. We do work hard and do practice more and get our goals quickly. Okay, sometimes we have failed 2 3 4 times, but we have to practice it and attempt 2 3 4 5 times also, maybe you get success. So always we try, not give up. Okay, and always study also for your personal decision also, so you always be ready for that. Okay, and preservation is very important in your life because help to us. Perseveration is very important inside the person. Okay, so I hope you help this chapter to understand it. I think you complete this one fill up. Fifth one is left, so completed that one also, and this question answer I will send you now in your class note. Whatever I am teaching you, just write down in your copy, and this chapter words meaning also write down, and this thought also, fill ups, okay, and question answer. So I will give you, be ready and learn the question answer also in English also and the moral science also. So till then you complete this work. Next video I will send you next chapter. Okay, so take care.